planning friends, welcome. I'm Sarah and this is my planner. So this week I'm going to be doing a weekly plan with me in my Erin Condren Life Planner Vertical. This is a 7x9. But before getting started, I did want to share that I still have a giveaway going on, so stay tuned for the details. This week I'm using a lovely HelloPetitePaper sticker kit. She has one of my favorite shops because her art is original, like she hand draws everything. Everything is so girly, like the ribbons, the florals, the color palette. I just love it so much. Definitely using one of her weekly kits brightens up my week. Here are some icon stickers that I will be using. A lot of them are from HelloPetitePaper, maybe almost all of them. These icon stickers help me stay motivated to do everything I want to do for the week. One of those is a GP Sticker Studio, which if you are in the planner community, you'll know she doesn't have a shop anymore. So shame. And then the last package stickers is from a Happy Blue Tree. I love these Happy Meal stickers. This is the Bloom Erin Condren sticker book that I like to use to complement sticker kits. Also, I sometimes use my handy dandy notepad to pre-plan my week. Let's jump right in. So if you didn't see my monthly plan with me, I'll link it here. That was my previous video where I planned out my monthly calendar, and I have some shorts for my first weekly plan with me. Now let's get started. Sit back, relax, enjoy me planning. While we're doing that, I did want to have like a little chit chat. Every time I do a plan with me, I like to share some thoughts. Let me know if you like that or if you just want to see my planning process. But having a chat is fun, just listening to different thoughts. And I also want to hear your thoughts. Like if you have any questions or if you want to add, feel free to do so. I love hearing people's thoughts. So this washi is gorgeous. First of all, let's admire this lace washi. I wanted to talk about self-confidence building. For me, my self-confidence has always been a challenge. I've always kind of seen myself as, I could say, as less than I probably am. I've always struggled. It wasn't until recently, now that I'm about to hit 30, that I started coming into my own, that I started realizing that, okay, what I do maybe is cool. I'll give you an example. I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel for the longest time. I've been doing creative planning for the last 7 years. And I just thought, okay, my planners are not as pretty as other girls online. Like I always seem to bring myself down. It wasn't until this last year that I decided, okay, let's get started. Let me just do this. I think my planner is good enough. And if it's not, oh well, I'm putting myself out there. So definitely if you struggled with your self-esteem, I just want to share a message. You are better than you think you are. Like seriously, a lot of times we just think that we need to be perfect. We need to do the absolute best. And that's not always true, you know? Just take a moment and look at the magic within you. So I set everything down now. I'm taking a look at my notepad to see my plans for the week. I'll glance at this very quickly and just transfer it here. This is a Happy Planner sticker book that I've had maybe about 3 years. I'm surprised that the stickers are sticky still. Remember this. Stickers have an expiration date, so use them up. As a sticker hoarder, sometimes I say, okay, I'm gonna save this for a special occasion, but no, maybe you should try and use them up before they expire. I know that a lot of these Hello Petite sticker kits I've had one probably for like 5 years, and recently I just tried to use a sticker from that sheet and it wasn't very sticky anymore. So definitely use these up. Now I already set down my sidebar. I set down all of my full box deco, of course my bottom washi. Now I'm going in and setting my plans for the week. The way I plan personally is that I'll sit down on a Sunday night and kind of lay out my week based on what I think or know is going to happen. So a lot of times, I'll sit down my pay days or my exercise classes. I take these exercise classes called Pure Barre, which is kind of like a yoga, Pilates, ballet type of class. Special things, like I always post YouTube videos on Tuesday, and that's like a special moment for me, especially getting started with YouTube. I would definitely want to highlight that. If I know I have Happy Mail coming in, check my tracking, like if I know that I'm going to go get groceries, I will write it down. I will sit down with my husband. Like if you notice that I write things down in my notepad, it's just us kind of going our plans for the week. Like he'll sit down and ask me, okay, what did you have exercise classes? Because we need to go to HEB, which for those of you who are not in Texas, HEB is this mythical grocery store that's kind of the best. I mean, it doesn't take long. It's just kind of like a little 3-minute chat. We just go over everything. And I got this Cactus Paper Co. freebie with these gorgeous font stickers. I don't know what this font is. Maybe it makes me feel like it's a 20s Art Deco kind. I don't know. I love it. And I loved how it worked in this spread. So now I'm going to fill everything out. I'm using my Inkjoy gel pen. This is a 7-tip. I don't normally use black ink, but I saw these blacker elements in this kit and I just thought the black ink would go really well. The first thing I'll do is I'll fill out my sidebar. So in this particular occasion, I have a habit tracker. I have a list of things that I'm going to be cooking, I do a quick meal plan, and then goals, things I want to get done that week. I go in every Monday. I write Coffee Monday because it's a way for me to be productive. Of course, I am a coffee lover. I drink coffee every single day, but Monday is just kind of like my reminder that I have to be like super productive. Just like I mentioned, like I'll kind of highlight things like Friday. I'm so excited when Friday rolls around the corner, so I definitely want to highlight that. I didn't incorporate a lot of the Erin Condren stickers in this, but I really wanted to because the colors in the Flora sticker book just matched so well. It was insane how well they matched this sticker kit colorway. There it is. This is my planner for the week. Drop a comment below letting me know what is your goal for this year, and you'll be entered in the giveaway, and make sure you're subscribed as well. Thank you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the notification bell so you can get notified on my videos, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.